30 hertz straight up.
Hi YouTube. If I didn't do an intro, this is my intro. Bye. Good God. Y'all, we going to church. 79th just so fucking dirty. You see all that? You don't see all that trash? That garbage?
Yeah.
Dirty as hell.
It's like they just empty as shit. Somebody took their whole garbage bag and just shipped that shit around on the ground.
Let them see your church fit. Oh, bitch. Oh, I'm sorry, Gloria.
Let them see what?
Your church outfit.
What?
So they can see what you wear in the church. Let them see your shirt.
Did a bird just shit on me?
Did they?
On my forehead?
Oh my God!
Wait,
that's good luck.
No, a bird shit it on me.
I'm home. No, you not. Gee, that's good luck. Gee, that's what I'm saying.
Please, I'm finna freak out.
That's not that much, but look at the camera.
Why would you shit on me?
That shit on me. See, that's what they said.
Why you talking on me?
Oh my God, that's good luck.
How am I get it off?
I don't know. You never heard that? Heard of that?
You got no napkins in your fucking.
I didn't fucking know that was gonna happen. Valletta, that's good luck.
Okay,
That goes back to the conversation we were just having. Look at the dog.
I can't wait on somebody.
Shut your bitch ass up. Nigga, I'm gonna give you a compliment at first. Come on, Coda. Before we have to be.
Come on.
It's nothing. Fuck it. Oh, what was that? Don't get her ass out the car, bro.
A bird pooped on mine.
They say if it boo boo in your hand, shit like that, but it shit on your forehead. So it's
I'm just being strong.
Free about 72 of y'all up today. I want to make sure that you are free and you're flowing this year like never before. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not unto thy own understanding. Trust God from the bottom of your heart. Hold on. Don't try to figure out everything on your own. Wait. Listen for God's voice in everything you do and everywhere you go. He's the one who will keep you on track. Here go the English. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones.
It looked like church had a time with us, didn't it? And they did for real. 5'2". I'm 5'2" for real. I already did it already with Jada. 2 is 5'1", 5'2".
Yeah, 5'1.5".
Church
was 20.
20 out of 10. What about you, Shalaya? The church was amazing. You work here?
No.
I'm sorry. That was racist of me. Very. That was racist.
Sorry.
It was. I admitted it. That was racist. The first time I shed a tear was because as much as a motherfucker do to you, or if they got you put in a situation or something like that and some shit not going good for them, I still don't be trying to down talk nobody. And I'm glad I did not do that shit yesterday. Who you know in that room?
I thought
That's
he
your
was gonna
cousin?
go into big detail.
Me too. But he stopped when he said she ain't had no help. And she been in a real dark place and all that other stuff.
She had.
Hey y'all. I used to go to Holy Sanctuary, and right after church I get them little hot little the vintners, the
I know what you're talking about.
small ones.
Yeah.
I used to get them every time after
Gigi
church.
stayed giving us money to go to the store.
I love that right on the corner.
And we used to, sometimes we used to get Burger King, got the church.
That's her little restaurant.
Yeah, Gigi a Whopper.
Well,
And she was like, "Can you cut it in half for me?" Miss Spirit, come out food. Good, she didn't shout that out.
Right. You know, that's why a lot of people be so angry too, though. Because they don't be happy.
What you mean they don't be happy?
You know, like,
They don't be happy with their life.
yeah, like, it's probably like they sell or.
And they be taking that shit out on everybody. That's my baby daddy.
You don't even.
Jesus.
Where's my other phone?
Where is it?
Stop playing, girl.
I ain't know where.
I'm talking about myself.
He's smacking like a motherfucker, huh?
I thought you had some chicken cheese. You know what?
When people be high.
And they be how what they been doing.
I thought that damn US session. Eating all that shit. And this motherfucker stay cutting out. Well, it's not working or something. My man probably somebody else.
Hey Siri. Where my phone at?
Hey Siri. Call Heavy.
Just to confirm,
Oh,
you'd like to call Janae Harvey?
No.
Who the fuck is
Heavy.
Okay, I won't do it. To who?
Heavy.
One possibility I see is the heavy feather on North Milwaukee Avenue in Chicago.
Don't worry about it.
Hey Siri. Call Heavy.
Calling Yaz.
Why the fuck would you call Yaz?
Please.
Hey Siri.
Cause it's your number not in.
Call Big Slime.
Who?
Hey Siri. Siri. What's this? Hey Siri. Call Big Slime. This bitch. Hey Siri. Call Big Slime.
There's a bird. Quack, quack.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
He thinks that was a duck. He keeps coming quack, quack.
I wanted her to say, making a FaceTime to Big Slime. Hey Siri.
Calling Big G Mia, mobile.
No. Hang up.
Hey Siri. FaceTime Big Slime.
I'm calling Heavy.
FaceTime Big Slime.
Came through and said face, calling for face.
Oh, this dumbass. Oh, that's a
Because
dumbass
Mummy
Siri.
keeps saying, what is Heavy name in here, bro?
What?
Miss Queen Heavy. That's why it's not calling her. Who changed her name? She did. Don't change your name in my phone. I think it's like that because I seen it pop up in the family group chat. Okay, here we
You
go.
can eat the same stuff with spaghetti. You can eat greens with spaghetti. You can eat baked chicken with spaghetti. I'm not spoiled.
Amoxicillin, no, I
Come
don't
here.
got that.
I'm telling you to talk to the vlog. Tell them what
I
you
don't
just
got
said. And I'm not.
Where y'all at? At Heavy house?
Because Shamaya don't give me what I want. Beletta don't give me
All
what
right,
I
here we
want.
come.
Me, little boy.
Call Santa.
Man, call Santa on Christmas. Not right now. When did you call him?
I called him.
Kids be lying. That concludes this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them, Chanel. I look so crazy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't, get your dumb ass, stupid ass, goofy.